Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Louis Capaldi here with a song called Strangers. So, yes, this one is a very easy song to play and handle. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So we'll learn that together, and we'll going without any capo here, so we will just go into the chords immediately, and we will start with this E here. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be a B chord. I go with the sus version, that's much easier. So that's a bar chord here, bar placed on the 2nd fret, and you bar the 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then we have another bar chord here, the C sharp minor. You place the bar now on the 4th fret, same strings there, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's just C sharp minor. And then we have the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so that will be the chord progression here from the beginning till the very end. E, B, C sharp, and A. Alright, so we'll play the same chords, but we have 2 different ways of handling the chords, 2 different strumming patterns. So it starts like this. Alright, so it will be all right, so it's basically 3 downs, the strumming pattern, and it has this rhythm: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that is how it starts. All right, so you're gonna play 1 string around per chord. So with this chord progression, E, B, C, and A goes. Right? So that is what's up there. You could play this through the entire song, but about half into the song, you will hear this added strumming pattern in the background that grows gradually there. So you will have pretty much the same rhythm here, but more downs. So 1 round goes with 8 downs, and it sounds like this. Okay? So you pretty much emphasize the same downs as in the first one, but in between there you don't have pauses, you chew on it like this. So you will have 8 downs like I said, and you will try to emphasize the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th down. So you do that in a way that you're gonna play more on the lower strings down here, the top notes, and then you chew on the bass, so like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the marked 1st, 4th, and 7th, you play down here, and on other downs, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, 6th, and 8th, you play more on the bass strings. So slowly. That is 1 round, and a couple rounds goes. And with the chord progression here, you're gonna play 1 string around again per chord, and it sounds. Okay? So that is how you handle Louis Capaldi's Strangers. Very easy song to play. 2 different strumming patterns, and that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like on this one and play tuned.